This is a quick demo of the Accountrix AI Bank Match module. Reconcile your books of accounts against your bank statement in seconds. Start by clicking Login. You can sign in with your Google account or with your email and password. Don't have an account yet? Just click Sign Up. Here, we'll continue with Google. This is your dashboard with all your modules. Open the Bank Match module. Here you'll find all of your clients. Let's add one. Go to Masters, click Add Client, and enter the client name. Select the state and choose the starting financial year. You can add as many clients as you need. Now, open Overview. This gives you a complete view of every client. For any client, pick the financial year from the drop-down. From the Download menu, you can export a client's data and reconciliation statements. Now, let's start a new reconciliation. Click New Statement, choose the client, and set the period. Here, we're reconciling the month of March. When your period spans more than 1 month, you can choose the report type, consolidated or monthly. Choose monthly for a month-by-month breakdown. Since this is a single month, we'll simply continue. Next, enter your books of accounts. Simply copy your ledger from Excel and paste it straight into the table. This ledger comes directly from Tally. Here, it's the ICICI Bank ledger from our Tally account. Now, enter your opening balance. If it's a credit balance, meaning an overdraft, add a minus sign before the amount. For a debit balance, leave it as is. The closing balance is calculated automatically. Now for the bank statement. You can paste the data from Excel or upload the statement as a PDF. Just make sure the PDF is an original, not a scanned copy. Accountrix AI reads and extracts every transaction in just a few seconds. And there it is. Every row pulled automatically, with the running balance verified. You can also download the extracted statement as Excel. Now, click Run Reconciliation. In seconds, your books and bank statement are fully matched with a clear exception report. Any differences appear as two simple lists. First, entries extra in books. Transactions recorded in your books, but missing from the statement. And entries not in books, the ones you still need to record. Any duplicate amounts are flagged in yellow. These are possible duplicate matches. Double-click one, and a pop-up opens. From there, just select the correct entry that hasn't been reconciled yet. And just like that, the difference is 0, fully reconciled. Hours of work, done in seconds. Try Accountrix AI free at accountrixai.com.